What is going on, neighbors? Have you been watching the market and waiting for a beautiful 3-2 to pop up in a cul-de-sac? Well, then stay tuned, because I found just the home for you. Let's check it out. Welcome to 1016 Albamonte Court in the beautiful subdivision of Alafaya Woods in Oviedo, Florida. As you walk into this beautifully maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, you will be immediately impressed with the open living space that allows you to not only see the tall ceilings, but all the way to the back of the home. With a split floor plan, you have your master bedroom on the right-hand side of the home and your other 2 bedrooms on the left-hand side. One of my favorite features about this home is the working fireplace, as well as the extra large screened-in patio, perfect for parties. Another great bonus about this home is that it offers walk-in closets in the master. Definitely something you don't always find in older homes. This home also sits in a cul-de-sac and offers quiet, safe, and a relaxing atmosphere, not only for families, but also for first-time homeowners. The kitchen is quite spacious and overlooks the main living area, perfect for not only meal prepping, but also for hosting parties. Another bonus, this home sits on almost a quarter of an acre. Close to dining, shopping, and all your major highways and interstates, this community is the perfect location to call home. This home also features beautiful luxury vinyl flooring throughout the main living area. This is it, neighbors. Relaxing on the patio, listening to the birds, watching the kids play in the cul-de-sac. If you can imagine yourself growing old, rocking in the chair in the front yard, then this is the home for you. Close to everything, shopping, dining, and great schools. Call me today, Jonathan Fadul, the Real Estate Genie, for your safe and private showing of 1016 Albamonte Court. We'll see you on the next one.